Now, the last option in congestion management, we have something called low latency queuing. Now, one of the issue with the previous one, now in the previous section, if you remember, we used a class-based weighted fair queuing. The good thing about the class-based weighted fair queuing is it will allow you to define some minimum guaranteed bandwidth at the time of congestion. That is a good thing. But again, the problem is what about the VoIP traffic? So if you have any kind of real-time sensitive traffic, that traffic also you don't want guarantee. You want guarantee at the same time you want some kind of priority as well. So we don't have any kind of priority option here. So what this low latency queuing mechanism will do is it is same as your class based weighted fair queuing. So it is same, means we can say it is more like an extension to the previous one. So additionally, what we are going to do is we are going to add one additional option called priority queuing. So which means we can match a specific sensitive traffic and we can give a command called priority, which is going to tell that any traffic matching this VoIP should be always sent first. So the difference between the priority and the bandwidth is, now the bandwidth option, whatever we have used, the bandwidth is going to guarantee, let's say if I give 256 kbps, it will guarantee the minimum bandwidth at the time of congestion. But this will not give the priority. This will not tell that, okay, this traffic is more important, so send it first. So there's no priority for the traffic. But there are some sensitive traffic which has to be prioritized, which has to be sent first. And that can be done especially for the VoIP traffic, where you want to reduce the latency and the jitter options. And that's what we are adding here. So in terms of configuration of low latency queuing, so the overall configuration remains the same, which means I'm not going to modify anything. So I'm going to still use the same class maps, assuming I have these traffics. So additionally, what I'm doing is I'm going to create a new class map, which is going to match my VoIP traffic. Let's say my VoIP traffic, which is matching my UDP from any port, any in the range of 16384 to 32767. And then I'm going to create a class map VoIP, and then it's going to match my access group VoIP. So if you say show run class map, okay, so I have added, just make sure that it is okay, sensitive. I don't think so. This is what. So if you verify the class map, now I'm creating another class map which is going to specifically match my VoIP traffic, and rest of the configuration remains the same. We still want this class map, the other class map, the other traffics. So where we will be configuring the minimum guaranteed bandwidth for those traffics, just like we did in the, these all options we did in the class-based weighted fair queuing. So I'm not going to change that. The only thing additionally what I'm doing is I'm going to match this VoIP class, and I'm going to give a command called priority. Now again, the difference is there. Like I said, priority command will ensure that in case if there is any congestion, then this will ensure that it will get minimum of 122 kbps of bandwidth, and that too it will be sent first, immediate. That's the difference. So the difference between these two commands is there is no strict priority here, whereas there is a strict priority here added to the specific traffic, the sensitive traffic, which tells that this traffic should be always sent first. Okay, so that's what we are going to add. So what I'll do is I'm going to use my existing policy map, which is already configured. And then I'm going to match my traffic, which is my VoIP. And then I'm going to say priority. So if we try to see the options here, again, the priority is going to provide a strict scheduling priority for this class. which is going to tell that, and again, the same options here, you can define the bits per second, where I'm saying 192. I think I have given a percentage options here. So here also I have to use the percent option. So which means the 10% of 1000, that is 100 kbps, should be reserved, and also that traffic should be always sent first. Okay, so whenever you're adding this additional option, so this basically called as low latency queuing. So in today's network, this is what we use. We will be using the queuing mechanisms, and we always want our other traffic should get a minimum guaranteed bandwidth. I don't want this traffic should get dropped. So they should get minimum this much of bandwidth allocations, and rest of the traffic should be doing fair queuing. But at the same time, my sensitive traffic should get a priority queuing, and that's what I want. So these all combinations, we call it as a low latency queuing mechanism.